Our first speller in this spelling bee is Buffalo Bob. Buffalo, your first word is spell.
Yeah. QPRINF.
I'm sorry, that's incorrect. Our next speller in this spelling bee is Yaman Urkel. Yaman, your word is Zimbabwe.
ZIMBABWE.
Correct!
Hi, I'm Yamin. I'd like to tell you today about our Eggo Cinnamon Toast Waffles. They are so delicious and they have your colon. Here, check them out yourself. Dang, my waffles are ready.
Our next speller in this spelling bee is Jack Spar. Jack, your word is macaroni.
MICTMIRY. Macaroni.
No. And the winner of today's kitchen spelling bee is Yamin Urkel. How do you feel, Yamin?
Great, really great.
Is that all? Alright then, that'll be it. Bye!